Assalamualaikum and greetings to Madam Josephine and all listeners. Let me start by introducing myself and my group members. I am Jaima binti Rosli. My group members are Nur Syafina binti Azrandi, Nurmila binti Abdul Rashid, and Alzubeni Wais. As you can see, our group will present about the propagation of banana, which is one of the most important crops in the world. This presentation aims to let everyone know a little about banana and how to propagate them by stem cutting. Banana are a type of fruit that herbaceous plants of the genus Musa in the family Musaceae, a family of flowering and tropical plants. The banana is grown in the tropics and thus it is most widely consumed in those regions. It is valued worldwide for its flavor, nutritional value, and availability throughout the year. The banana plant is a gigantic herb that springs from an underground stem or rhizome to form a full-strung 3 to 6 meters, which is 10 to 20 feet high. Half of the world's banana crop are grown in Asia, and much of the produce is used locally. The main banana producing countries are the Philippines, Thailand, Indonesia, India, and Malaysia. The banana is the second most widespread fruit in Malaysia after durian. There are over 1,000 different species of banana, from edible to ornamental banana types.
Hello and greetings to Madam Josephine. My name is Alzuveni Wais and I am going to present about the tools and material. For the tools, we use the banana suckers about 2 feet tall, machete, hoe, glove, and watering can. To propagate the banana crop, we use the banana suckers with well-developed root system as the main planting material. The banana suckers that we used were about 2 feet tall, and we took the banana suckers from the banana tree that has been bearing the banana fruit. We use the machete to cut the unwanted leaf on the banana sucker to make sure the sucker focuses on root growth. After we cut the unwanted leaf on the banana sucker, we use the hoe to take out the banana sucker by pushing down the tip of the hoe between the main stem and the sucker to sever the connection between the stem and the sucker that we wanted. Then we dig the soil around the banana suckers to loosen the soil so that the banana suckers are easy to take without much injury to the banana sucker roots that we are going to propagate and replant. The hoe has also been used to dig a hole about 1 foot deep and 2 feet wide to make sure the banana suckers were planted correctly. The gloves were used as a PPE to avoid some injury during planting of the banana sucker. The water that we used was to make sure the soil was moist before and after planting the sucker.
Hi,
Assalamualaikum and a very good day to Madam Josephine and fellow friends. I'm Nur Shafina binti Asnandi from 82202B and my student ID is 2022780101. In this part, I'm going to show you guys on how to propagate banana. So, let's move to the procedure of banana propagation. Everyone must wonder on how to propagate bananas, right? Plants propagate either by asexual or sexual propagation. There are many ways of asexual propagation, such as cutting, budding, and grafting, while sexual propagation only propagates by seeds. Thus, we will use an asexual method which involves cutting of the stem of banana. First, we did the side clearing by which the unwanted leaves of banana plants were cut off, and we separate the young plant together with the roots from the parent plant gently. Next, we dug a hole of about 1 foot deep and 2 feet wide for planting bed. If the soil is quite dry, you may add a little water to the soil to moisten it. After that, the soil was loosened to allow a good aeration for roots, and the young banana plants was then directly planted. Lastly, the soil should be flattened, and do not forget to water the plant, which is very important for its photosynthesis process and to transfer nutrients through the plant.
Let's move to the video propagation of banana plant. First of all, we do the side clearing by removing the unwanted leaves. So this is the young plant of banana plant. So now we are going to dig a hole for banana plant about 1 foot deep and 2 feet wide. Always ensure to wear your PPE equipment during this activity. Now plant the young plant of banana plant. Now we are going to loosen the soil to allow a good aeration for the plant roots. So this is the result. Don't forget to water the plant to retain the moisture of soil and supply a water to the root of banana plant.
Greetings and hello to Madam Josephine. I'm Nurmila binti Abdul Rashid. For the care and maintenance, after finishing propagating the banana, we water the area of banana trees. We must keep the banana tree area well watered during hot or dry weather. If the area is too hot, we should top up the mulch to make sure the soil is moist enough. Side dress with well-compost manure every month or so during peak growing times. To stimulate growth, trim off any dead leaves on banana trees. Banana stock takes 75 till 80 days from flower production to mature fruit. When the banana is ready to harvest, pick banana one at a time as they start to ripen faster once picked. If we pick the whole bunch at once, we may well find ourselves with 30 kilograms of banana going ripe at the same time. Banana trees, actually perennial herbs, are composed of a succulent, so once the banana have been harvested, the plant dies. It sounds almost sick, but that isn't the entire story. After a plant has fruit, it is cut down to the ground because each trunk produces only one branch of fruit. The dead trunk is replaced by others in the form of suckers or shoots, which arise from the rhizome at roughly 6 months interval. The life of a single rhizome thus continues for many years. In many countries, banana and plantain leaves are recycled as food wrappers, such as to hot tamales, meats, and nasi lemak. They are also used to cover wrap various food while cooking. It helps seal in flavor. Well, this brings me to the end of our presentation. Thank you for your attention.